Hey, it's Rick Brandenburg for Turf Bugs and Rock and Roll, and we're at that quarterly time when we do our Three Stooges with my colleagues Fred Yelverton and Jim Kearns, and we talk about seasonal transition. So right now we're going to be talking about transitioning from winter into spring. What do things look like? What are our forecasts? What are things you need to be thinking about? And excuse me, this winter in many areas of the country. I mean, I know places out Denver, Salt Lake City, some of those areas had really, really warm temperatures, no snowfall in some areas. In the southeastern United States and eastern United States, we had a colder than normal winter. But we've been dry, and at least in the southeast, it's been very dry, and this can limit mole cricket activity, fire ant activity, even grub development and pupation in the spring. So that's a big factor. If that doesn't correct itself, we could see insect populations developed, even insect populations for soil insects, even reduced a little bit. But hopefully that'll correct itself. The other thing is we had temperatures back in late January, early February. Man, it got cold in much of the southeast. I mean, really cold, even down into Florida. But that really doesn't have a negative impact as far as killing many insects. It just really doesn't, even when we have really cold temperatures. And when it's really cold, it also doesn't push the insect development backwards. Warm temperatures move it forward very quickly. Cold temperatures just stop it. They don't move it backwards. So once it warms back up from a cold spell, it just keeps moving forward from there. And here we set the first week of March, and in Raleigh, North Carolina, it's been in the 80s. It's supposed to be in the 80s for 7 to 10 days, which is above normal for us. Who knows what the rest of March and April is going to be like. But to me, be wary of the fact that if this warm temperature continues and we get some good rainfall, things could be accelerated this spring as far as insect development. Be wary that if we don't get a lot of rain, insect populations for soil insects, fire ant populations, they're going to be harder to manage when it's really, really dry. Hopefully, like I say, that's going to change, and we'll see some more normal conditions. But I don't expect us to have anything really far out of the ordinary. I expect populations to be somewhat normal and timing to be somewhat normal. But we'll update you if that changes. Hope that helps, and I'll turn it over to Fred Yelverton now.